I'm Zim, and you're listening to the Helpful Photographer Podcast in collaboration with New York City Photo Safari. To register for Safari, please visit newyorkcityphotosafari.com. I know, I said I was done talking about tripods, but this isn't actually about tripods. A tripod lens collar is a device which comes with most large lenses. It's there to help create more stability when you're using a tripod. When you have a really big zoom lens or telephoto lens on your camera, it can often weigh more than the camera itself. So if you mount the camera to a tripod, it tends to make the whole system front heavy, so a little bit tippy. The collar allows you to mount the lens to the tripod, which will help center the entire system over the tripod, making it a lot more stable. This is really good. To take advantage of this, you'll want to level your head left and right, preferably before you mount your system. Once you mount your system, if you want to shoot a vertical, you do not, and I repeat, do not tilt your head. Instead, untighten the collar, then twist your camera and lens until you have the angle you want. That's it. Pretty simple, right? And before I go, here's a pro tip. If you're not going to use a tripod with your lens, remove the ring and leave it out of your bag. It's a rather heavy piece of equipment, and there's simply no reason to be lugging it around. If you cannot remove it, I find that it's easier for me to handle the lens if I rotate the base so that it's on top of the lens and out of the way. I have small hands, so it really helps me grip my camera better if that base is not in my way. I hope that was helpful. Until next time, keep on shooting.